What's up, guys? So it's December and it's cold. As you see, I already had some snow melting and we've had a couple of major snowstorms, but the December glove box is here. So guess what? I'm gonna shoot the video on my snowmobile. And I know you guys are like, well, glove box, that's kind of a car thing, but you know what? I'm gonna try to use it on my snowmobile because that needs care too, and I want that looking new and good. So we're gonna see what's inside this month's December glove box and yeah, see what we could use. Alright guys, so I'm jumping right in. Here is the new December glove box. And here we go. You guys ready for this? Oh, look at those Christmassy Italian colors. That's because Glovebox likes all those Italian cars. Anyhow, so here it is. This month's box is packed with great products for your next detail therapy session. Visit our blog and our YouTube page for detailing tips on how to get the most out of each product. Well, actually, yes, check out Glovebox on YouTube, and we got some good products here, I'm gonna assume, because the packaging is nice and colorful. Ooh, look at that. I get a nice little bonus here. That's definitely going on my tree. All right, what do we got? We got a nice, ooh, this is a big microfiber, nice and thick. I like that. So that's a nice plus. Let's see what we could use to make that snowmobile shine. All right, we have, looks like some sort of applicator pad. And then here are the goodies in the bag. All right, first off, we have, ooh, tire and trim gel. Look at that, perfect. There's a lot of plastics on that snowmobile, so we're definitely gonna be trying this out. All right, next product is Slayer Decon. This is iron fallout remover. Okay, so I don't know if we're gonna be able to use this per se, but I love this stuff. So Mad Cow Detailing, I guess, has an iron remover as well. Super tiny micro print that I can't read here, but I can read the website, and yeah, the website. Anyhow, this is awesome because I actually haven't really used much of iron fallout remover products, whatever. This is actually going to work really well on my wheels on my F250 because they get little iron on it all the time. Next we have 303 Speed Detailer. Yes, showroom shine with powerful UV blocker. Effortlessly removes dust, dirt, smudges on any hard surface. There's a picture of a boat, there's a picture of a car, there's a picture of an RV, but there's no picture of a snowmobile. 303, if you're watching this, let's get a picture of a snowmobile on here because that's what we're going to be using this on today. Next, oh yes, I love CarPro products. Okay, so this is Hydro 2 foam. Wash and coat in one step. Perfect. Perfect. You know, this is awesome because the snowmobile constantly gets sprayed with snow, and if you're on the trails with dirty snow, you get dirty snow on it. This will help kind of protect it from all the stuff going on, especially since I have freshly installed brand new graphics. All right, so these are my products, and I am actually gonna start off, and actually here, let me go over the winter menu with you guys so you guys can see what's in here and have the coupon codes. So CarPro Hydro Foam, that's Glovebox coupon code. Mad Cow as well, Glovebox coupon code. 303 products is 30 or 303 GB, and Auto Fiber Royale Flush, that's obviously GB. Jax Wax Tire Trim and Gel, Glovebox as the coupon code, and Jax Wax Applicator Sponge, and 15% off all products, Glovebox coupon code for Jax Wax. So here's the winter menu, and I am gonna get started on this sexy snowmobile. All right guys, if you are curious about how I got here with the snowmobile, make sure you check out my other videos, and this is actually coming up in a little bit. I'll have some more stuff posted on this. That's gonna be a separate thing on my channel. If you guys are curious about that, make sure you check it out, all right? And subscribe to my channel. My Hydro 2 foam is going into my foam gun. So pretty. And let's get this thing foamed up. And there you go, guys. Another awesome glove box unboxing. An amazing glove box. And goes to show you that it's not only on cars that you can use this stuff. And I am super excited about it. And of course, we have to put the glove box seal of approval on the snowmobile. There you go. Bam. If you guys enjoyed this unboxing, make sure you check out the other previous month's unboxing and head on over to gloveboxdetail.com. Make sure to use coupon code Mohawk to get 20% off of your order. Awesome holiday gift, and check it out. It's perfectly clean and sealed up and protected for the winter to come. So I am super excited, and again, thank you Glovebox for an awesome glove box, and later guys.